Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you some useful command in Linux Ubuntu. Are you ready? So let's get started. So the first command that I want to show you is ls. ls list file and directories in the current directory. It is very useful if you want to check the content of a folder. Okay, how to use that? It's very easy and simple. Let's practice it. Open terminal. I'm going to open terminal and let me zoom in. Okay, where am I right now? Okay, ls. So in this folder, if I want to check what I have in this folder, okay, I can use ls to show the content of the folder. I have these folders. So I'm going to change into desktop by using cd. Okay, change directories. And if I want to check what I have in my desktop, you can use ls. List the content of the desktop. ls and enter. I have only one folder on the desktop. As you can see, this folder, this one, test, and it shows only just this folder. Okay, so yeah, that's how you can use ls. If I want to show more details about this folder, you can use ls and this command -l. See, it shows the permission on this folder and etc. That's how you can use ls. If I want to show more details, see, yeah, that's very useful if you want to show, if you want to check the content of a folder, you can use ls. That's it. So let's jump into the second comment, which is cd. As I mentioned before, cd is for changing directories. Okay, if you want to change directories, you can use cd and path to these directories. Let's practice it. It's very simple and very easy. Just uh, now, where I am right now on the desktop, cd plus ls cd and dot dot, it will, you will go back one folder. Okay, and now I change the directories where I am right now. See, I change the directories. For example, you want to change into music folder by using cd music. Okay, enter. That's how you can use cd for changing directories. If you want to go back, dot dot, enter. If you want to move into picture folders, cd pictures. That's it. And if you want to, for example, go back and go back, now you're on home, friend working directory, home, ls cd. I want to change into setla. See, it's very easy and very useful. If you want to jump into different folders, you can use cd. Yeah, that's the second one. We learned also cd. And how we can what is this command? pwd. It is used for print working directory. Print the current working directory's path, example pwd. we also actually used it. pwd print working directory. See, it will print it out where you are right now, you know. cd desktop, if I want to print working directories, now I am on the desktop. That's how you can use pwd. mkdir. Okay, how we can use that? It's used for making directories. If you want to create folder, you can use mkdir and the name of the folder. See, very easy and very simple. Let's do it. On the desktop, I have only one folder, which is test. I'm going to create more 2 or 3 folders on the desktop. Test2, this is the first folder. Test3 and test4. Enter. As you can see, I created these 3 folders with only one command. Yeah, it is used to create folder. That's it. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can use mkdir. What is touch? Touch is used for creating files or update the file timestamp. How we can actually create files by using touch? It's very simple, like making directories, but we can use here touch, not mkdir. Touch and the name of the file. For example, file. Uh, let's change into directory test3. Okay. What I have in this folder? I don't have anything. The folder is empty. Let's create a file in this folder. Touch index.txt. Enter. ls, list the content of the folder. I created this txt file by using touch command. It's very simple and very easy. That's how you can use touch in Linux Ubuntu. Okay. rm is used for removing a file and directories. Okay, how we can actually remove a file or a folder using rm command? It's very simple also. Let's do it in practice. So I am in this folder in test3, and I have one file which is index.txt, and I want to delete this file. How we can use remove rm and the name of the file index.txt, and list the content of the folder. As you can see, it has been deleted successfully. How to actually delete it, or I remove this file? How we can delete a folder using rm command? Let me go back one folder, ls. I have 4 folders, which is test2, test3, and test4. How we can remove that? rm, for example, test 4. I want to delete the folder, the 4th folder. rm is used to delete files, but if you want to remove folder, rm dir, remove directory and test4. Enter. List the content of the folder. As you can see, this folder has been successfully deleted. That's it. And yeah, cp, copy. It copies file and directories. If you want to copy a folder, if you want to copy a file, you can use cp. How we can use that? Very simple. For example, I want to copy this folder into this folder. How we can do that? cp test, and where you want to copy? Test2. Aha. cp I want to copy this folder. Okay, and where you want to copy home, and I want to copy into test2. Or not specified in directory test. cp, let me, cp test, enter. Um, doing it is not working. cp file name and destination path. Copy is used for file and directories. Okay, let me do that again. Where I am right now? Clear. Okay, I'm on the desktop, as you can see, and list the content of the folder cd test ls. I have in this folder two files. Okay, cp file .txt, and where you want to copy this, home, Italy, and desktop. As you can see, I copied this file using cp and my desktop, this one. As you can see, if you want to copy, for example, file.txt, where you want to copy home in these directories, desktop, it is case sensitive, and I want to copy in test3 folders. Let's go to in this folder if I have copied this file or not. It's very easy. See where I am right now. cd, okay, ls cd test 3 ls. As you can see, I copied this file. That's how you can use a copy comment in Linux Ubuntu to copy file. So move or rename file or directories. How we can move file into directories. Okay, so let's do it in practice. For example, I have the file which is on my desktop. I want to uh, move this file into this folder. Okay, how we can do that? I can also drag and drop, but I am going to show you to move with terminal. How we can do that? It's very simple. I am on the desktop. That's correct. mv move. What you want to move? This file. Where you want to move? Test3. Yeah. I have successfully moved file .txt into this folder. That's how you can use move command on Linux Ubuntu. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you like, please do subscribe, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel and share your other friends. Thank you and see you in the next video.